Over 60? Surgeon reveals one. Move that rebuilds your muscles faster than the gym. Did you know that after age 60, you can lose up to 3% of your muscle mass every single year due to a condition called sarcopenia? That's like watching your strength and mobility gradually diminish, making everyday activities like climbing stairs or carrying groceries feel more challenging over time. But here's the good news that inspired me when I dove into the latest research from institutions like Harvard Medical School. Regular, targeted exercise can help slow, stop, or even reverse this process. For instance, studies show that older adults engaging in consistent strength-building routines can see meaningful improvements in muscle mass and function within weeks to months. Imagine reclaiming your vitality and independence, reversing years of potential decline in just a short period. Experts, including those from leading universities, call this one of the most empowering breakthroughs in senior fitness in recent years. These aren't grueling gym sessions or pricey equipment-based programs. We're talking about 5 simple, at-home movements that anyone can start today. They work by stimulating something called myofibrillar protein synthesis, your body's natural muscle-building process that does not shut down with age. It just needs the right activation to kick into gear. And wait until you hear about the #1 movement on this list. Research indicates that consistent core strengthening exercises like planks can help improve markers of cellular health, potentially making your body function like it's years younger when done regularly. Before we dive in, I'd love to connect with you. Tell us in the comments your age and where you're tuning in from. We're here to build a community, reading and responding to every comment to support your journey. Now let's empower you with these life-changing tips and get started on your path to stronger, healthier days ahead. 5. Standing knee raises with support. Let's kick off with a movement that's a true game changer for rebuilding hip strength and balance at the same time, especially crucial as we age when falls become a bigger concern. Standing knee raises with support may seem straightforward, but they're incredibly effective for folks over 60. Research on balance and strength training in older adults shows that exercises like this can boost hip flexor strength, improve single-leg balance, a key predictor of fall risk, and enhance step clearance to reduce tripping hazards. In studies tracking seniors, participants often see noticeable gains in stability and mobility after consistent practice, helping maintain independence and confidence in daily life. This exercise targets your hip flexors, particularly the iliopsoas muscle group, along with your quadriceps and core stabilizers, all working in harmony to support better posture and movement. A senior demonstrating standing knee raises with support for hip strength and balance. Here's how to perform them for maximum benefit and safety. Stand beside a sturdy chair or countertop, lightly resting your left hand on it for balance. Don't grip tightly. Think of it as gentle support. Position your feet hip-width apart, with your weight evenly distributed. Stand tall, shoulders back and down, and engage your core by gently drawing your belly button toward your spine. Slowly lift your right knee straight up toward your chest, taking about 3 seconds to raise it. Keep your standing legs straight and your torso upright, no leaning back. Aim to lift your knee as high as feels comfortable, ideally to hip height or with your thigh parallel to the floor. Hold at the top for 2 full seconds, breathing normally. This pause is key, as isometric holds can enhance muscle engagement significantly, according to physiology research. Lower your leg slowly over another 3 seconds, controlling the descent rather than dropping it. That's 1 rep. Finish all reps on 1 leg before switching. Begin with 3 sets of 8 repetitions per leg, resting 45 seconds between sets. A pro tip many overlook. Before lifting, press your standing foot firmly into the floor and squeeze that leg is glute for a stable base. This can boost effectiveness by creating better biomechanics. Keep your gaze fixed on a point straight ahead to aid balance. Best time? Mid-morning, when your coordination peaks naturally. As you build confidence, progress by using just fingertips for support, lifting higher, or adding a small knee circle at the top. Advanced options include holding a light weight or extending the leg forward after the lift. Breathe out as you lift, in as you lower. Remember, consistency is your ally. These small steps add up to big wins in strength and safety. Now, a vital note for this and all exercises. They shine brightest when paired with adequate protein intake. Muscles are built from protein, and after 60, your body may need more to respond effectively. Research suggests 25–30% more than younger adults for optimal muscle building. How much? A simple guideline. Aim for 1.0–1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. For a 150-pound person, about 68 kg, that's roughly 68–82 grams. Tracking can be tricky, but apps like Cal AI make it effortless. Just snap a photo of your meal, and it calculates calories, protein, and more with AI precision. It's accurate in my experience, though double-check ingredients for perfection. Features include a vast database, barcode scanning for bars and shakes, and a daily protein tally on the home screen. Click the link below and use code SENIORSECRETS for a 3-day free trial. Support the channel while fueling your gains. Number 4. Glute bridges. Moving on to an exercise that powers up your body's largest muscle group. Your glutes aren't just for looks. They're essential for mobility, stability, and pain-free living. Glute bridges are transformative for rebuilding this key area. Studies on resistance training in seniors show improvements in glute strength, reduced lower back pain, faster walking, and easier rising from seats. Participants in various programs report better overall function, highlighting how strong glutes support daily activities and reduce injury risk. Primarily targeting the gluteus maximus, your body's biggest muscle, it also engages hamstrings, core, and pelvic floor. Done lying down, it eliminates balance worries while maximizing activation. A senior demonstrating glute bridges for posterior chain power. To do it right, lie on your back on a firm yet comfortable surface like a yoga mat. Bend knees, feet flat hip width apart, heels 6 to 8 inches from your glutes for vertical shins at the top. Arms at sides, palms down. Engage your core with a posterior pelvic tilt. Flatten your lower back to protect it and amp glute work. Squeeze glutes like cracking a walnut. Press through heels, not toes, to lift hips skyward. Rise until knees to shoulders form a straight line. No arching. Hold 3 seconds, keeping the squeeze. This time under tension aids protein synthesis. Lower over 4 seconds, then repeat without full rest. Start with 3 sets of 12 reps, 1-minute rests. Double results with pre-activation. Do 5 mini lifts, 1 inch up, focusing on glutes for better mind-muscle connection. Keep knees over toes. Add a pillow under your head if needed. Progress to longer holds, single leg versions, elevated feet, bands, or weights. This builds a strong foundation for independence. Number 3. Chair squats. If I could recommend just one lower body exercise, it'd be chair squats. They're pivotal for sustaining independence as we age. Landmark research on functional exercises for seniors shows leg strength gains, better stair climbing, and increased walking speed. Activating major muscles like quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, over 40% of your muscle mass, they powerhouse your body. A senior demonstrating chair squats for lower body strength. Technique: place a chair behind you, knees at 90 degrees and when seated. Feet shoulder width, toes out 15 to ease knee stress. Arms crossed over chest. Push hips back first, like closing a door with your bottom. Bend knees naturally. Lower slowly, 3 seconds, to lightly touch the seat, no full sit. Rise, 3 seconds, through heels, squeezing glutes. 3 sets of 8, 1-minute rests. Prep. Practice hip hinge against a wall. Warm up with 5-minute march. Progress to pauses or weights, safe and effective for all levels. Number 2. Resistance band rows. Your back muscles are your body's armor, safeguarding your spine and posture. Resistance band rows rebuild this shield brilliantly. Studies reveal strength gains, posture improvements, and pain reductions in seniors. Targeting latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, trapezius, and deltoids, they align your spine. Need a light medium band, under 15, sit in chair, loop around feet or table leg. Hold ends, palms facing, sit tall. Pull elbows back, 2 seconds. Squeeze blades like holding a pencil. Hold 2 seconds for max activation. Return slowly, 3 to 4 seconds. Eccentric phase builds muscle. 3 sets of 12, 45-second rests. Seniors demonstrating resistance band rows for back strength and posture. Pre-activate. Shoulder pulls 10 times, no snapping. Progress with thicker bands or single arm. Number 1. Modified plank. This is the star, a fountain of youth for muscles. Modified planks look simple, but deliver extraordinary benefits. Research calls planks gold for core strength, with low impact and high activation. Some studies link exercise to better cellular markers like telomerase. Improves balance, reduces falls. Activates transverse abdominis, obliques, erector spinae, glutes, quads. A senior demonstrating a modified plank on knees for core integration. Start on mat, forearms under shoulders, knees on ground but back for straight line head to knees. Neutral head, flat back, no sagging. Engage core like zipping pants. Hold 15 seconds, breathe normally. 3 holds, 30-second rests. Prep. Practice breathing on back. Progress. Add time or arm lifts. Morning for all-day benefits. Integrating into your routine. These 5 synergize to rebuild your system holistically. Start every other day week 1, then 5-6 days per week, 20-25 minutes. Track progress. Stay hydrated. Eat protein post-workout. Listen to your body. Mild soreness okay, pain not. Consult a doctor if needed. You've got this. These exercises empower thousands to thrive. Share in comments strength changes since 60. Toughest exercise? Thanks for joining. Like, subscribe for more.